Hey guys, today I'm showing you this Wi-Fi smart clock. You can see there are different versions of this clock, and this comes with the adapter, remote, and the Wi-Fi capability, and this can be used on the wall as well as on the desk. I will show you each and everything step by step. So here I'm putting in the power adapter because this is powered by the electricity, though you will have like two batteries just for the backup thing, but you have to use this power adapter for actual working of the clock. This is the stand for the back, that if you want it on the table. So I on this one, and you can see that it automatically check the time and done with that. Now I'm trying to show you how I'm attaching it to my Wi-Fi. So you have to attach first to the individual clock, and then once attached, then you can go to this browser. It is mentioned in the manual, and once you attach, you can set up the clock and the password or whatever, and then you will see a step process to connect this clock to the Wi-Fi. So I am waiting for the connection, and as you see, it comes up. You can set the time zone. See, once the clock is still, you can see the corner that the Wi-Fi signal starts showing up. So now this clock is attached, and this is the remote. You can also use it manually to use the clock, simple like the time, date, stopper, timer, alarms, and everything.